Off your feet, 4. Not
And
supporting
another
body
penalty
weight.
coming here as Barrett shoves a man out of the road, and off goes Geordie. Barrett looking to link up on the inside, delivers the pass for Campbell. He made a bad start to the game, but he scores the opening try. And Brad Webber again for Mackenzie at first receiver. Takiaho. And he got the pass away to Trask. And Caleb Trask under the bar. What a good try that is. Ledger slings it off. Here's Laumapi into his face. Nani Laumapi feeds it across to Riccatelli. And the hooker scores in the corner.
Stay on, stay on.
And Campbell. Trask waiting. Time. Oh, completely lost it. Ball loose. Now snapped up by Julian Savia. Gets it away. Quick ball required here. And they do get quick ball. Laumapi goes wide for Rayasi. And Rayasi's over. Great strength.
All good, all good.
Now the ball swung away. Blackwell. Yes. Scything through is Rayasi. He gets 2.
Wait, back. Yep, up
The
now.
Chiefs will need to somehow control this. Hurricanes have got it. Now here's Webber. Away it goes for Anton Leonard-Brown. Hurricanes again desperate in defence. Mackenzie has a go. Offloads. Try scored. Quinn Tupaia, I think it is. Scores the try. No, in fact, it's Chase Tiatia.
Okay, Kane's out.
The big kick and chase. Mackenzie waits. Ball swirling around, and Barrett's after him, but Mackenzie's too good. And off goes Damien Mackenzie, offloading brilliantly to Tiatia. Trying to get away, does so from Ledger. He fires it off. Oh boy, this is a try and a half. Brad Webber for the Chiefs.
Yeah, cool. You've only got one more. You've got to use it in the next one.
Still going though, the Chiefs. Still going. Still going. And over. Try scored.
Use it.
Hurricanes now having to defend. Off it goes. And try scored. The Chiefs go in again. The Chiefs have won and have broken the losing streak with an excellent victory here tonight at Sky Stadium.